The devastating effects of flood in Nigeria has rendered many homeless. Some of those losses cannot be replaced. Every year, Nigerians suffer the effects of this flood, both directly or indirectly. Climate change increases both the frequency and intensity of the flood, as well as other natural weather-related occurrences. Since climate change is a problem that needs to be curtailed to avoid or even lessen future occurrences of flood in Nigeria, here is how some of the presidential candidates of the 2023 general elections plan to tackle climate change.
The climate change, Prof, is a question of how do you prevent a church rat from eating a poisoned Holy Communion? That's the way. We are a poor nation. The ban coal will follow. They say firewood, not for fire. They say we need to plant more trees. And they are not giving us money. We need to open our eyes, shine it, and tell the West, if you don't guarantee our finances and work with us to stop this, we are not going to comply with your climate change. They'll do it.
Here is what Atiku Abubakar, the presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party (PDP), said about climate change in 2021. Even our solution to the problem of climate change must be within the focus of conserving the planet we call home. We cannot wholly defeat any of these threats if we refuse to cooperate and work together, irrespective of our intangible differences.
This is a question from Akim Adenuga. He's tweeting from Ibadan in Nigeria. And what he's asking is, I would like to ask, what do you think about the green energy initiative that has been administered by the APC administration, considering your policies to pursue aggressive production and industrialization in Nigeria?
Quite frankly, there has been a lot of talk about green energy and climate change and everything. I'm not very vast. I've read a lot about them, and we will all consider it in whatever we're doing. But quite frankly, I'm going to be aggressive in other areas than in some of the things that are coming out on issue of climate change. We're going to deal with it. We're going to give it attention. But these things are not more important, as important as securing the people, because you can't be talking about climate change when people are taking cover from bombs.
Please subscribe to this channel, NosPofNG, for more updates. Do not forget to like and share this video, and also drop your comments down in the comment section. I am Blessing Ezeja. Thanks for watching.